If you need to open a private mailbox through a commercial mail receiving agency, the USPS requires you to complete Form 1583. Let's walk through how to fill it out step by step. Start by downloading a fresh copy of Form 1583. If you're making changes, like using different IDs or correcting mistakes, you'll need a new form. Print it out if you plan to notarize it in person. The form has 3 main sections. The first part is the CMRA information, which is the address of the mailbox you're signing up for. In Box 1A, write the date you opened your account. In Boxes 2A through 2E, enter the complete mailbox address, including your mailbox number. Next is the Mailbox and Owner section. In Box 3, choose whether you're using the mailbox for personal use, business use, or both. If it's personal, you'll list your own information as the owner, though you can still add business names later as recipients. If it's business use, you'll need to complete the business section too, and the applicant must be an owner, officer, or manager of that business. Boxes 4A through 4K ask for your personal details. Fill these out carefully so they match the name on your IDs. Boxes 8A through 8E are for your photo ID information. At least one photo ID is required, so write the ID number and type. Boxes 9A through 9G are for your secondary ID, which should also match your address. If you're applying for business use, fill out boxes 7A through 7I with the company details. Once all sections are complete, sign in Box 13A. After that, the form must be notarized. A notary will sign in Box 14A and stamp the second page. You can usually find a notary at banks or courthouses, and the cost is typically under $20. If you prefer, you can use an online notary service like Notarize.com, as long as you have a webcam for the video call. Finally, submit the signed and notarized form along with 2 forms of ID to your mailbox provider. That's the process.